Hello, hello, hello. Welcome back to English Buddy Podcast. I'm Sarah, and as always, I am joined by my favorite person to talk to, Kabir. How are you, Kabir?
Favorite person? Wow, Sarah. That's a high compliment. I'm doing well, though I'm a bit tired today, to be honest.
Oh no, why? Did you stay up late studying, or were you doing what we are talking about today?
Guilty. Well, you caught me. I was going to sleep at 10 p.m. That was the plan. But then I thought, let me just check one thing on my phone, and, well, you know how it goes.
I know exactly how it goes. You check the weather, then you check the news, then suddenly you're watching a video about how to build a house in the woods out of mud and sticks.
Yes. How did you know? It wasn't a mud house, actually. It was a documentary about the history of the paperclip.
The paperclip? Kabir, that is the definition of wasting time.
I know. I felt so guilty this morning, and that's why today's episode is so important. We are talking about time, specifically how not to waste it.
It's a big one, and it's hard, especially for English learners. So let's dive in. But first, I need a sip of this.
Is that your third coffee?
Maybe. Don't judge me.
Well, before we start the topic, please subscribe the English Buddy Podcast.
And also, click the like button. It will help a lot for us. So, let's start to our today's topic. Don't waste your time.
Well, Sarah, what does mean, don't waste your time?
Yes, Kabir, this is a good question. What does this mean? It means that don't waste your time that are useless, unimportant, or won't help you.
Right. To waste time means to spend your hours on things that don't bring you joy and don't help you reach your goals.
So, Kabir, why do we do it? Why do we waste time when we know we have things to do?
That's a good question. I think it's because the things we should do are often scary or hard. Like studying for an English exam is hard. Watching a video of a cat is easy.
True, it's like our brain wants a treat. Our brain is like a small dog that doesn't want to go for a walk in the rain. It just wants to stay on the sofa and eat snacks.
That's a perfect way to put it. We call this procrastination. That's a big word for our listeners. Procrastination.
So let's get serious for a second. For our English buddies listening at home, we use this word procrastination a lot. Procrastination. It's a mouthful, isn't it?
It is. It's a big word for a very common feeling. In simple English, it just means I have a job to do, but I am doing something else because the job makes me feel bad.
That's a good point. It's about feelings, isn't it? It's not that we are lazy.
Exactly. Laziness is when you don't want to do anything. Procrastination is when you want to do everything except the one thing you actually need to do.
Oh, that makes sense. Like if I have a big project, I feel nervous. So to stop feeling nervous, I go on Instagram.
Exactly. The phone is like a medicine for the stress, but it's a bad medicine because the work is still there.
It's like putting a Band-Aid on a broken leg. It doesn't really help.
Let's talk about the biggest time thief in the world.
The smartphone.
Yes, the little black rectangle in our pockets.
Honestly, Kabir, sometimes I want to throw my phone into the ocean. Giggles. I look at my screen time report on Sunday, and it says, you spent 6 hours on social media today. I could have learned a new language in that time.
Well, maybe not a whole language, but you could have learned a lot of words.
Do you have a phone problem, Kabir, or are you a perfect human?
Oh, I am definitely not perfect. My problem is the scroll. I start scrolling and my thumb just keeps moving. It's like it has a brain of its own. Scroll.
Your thumb is a rebel.
It really is. But I found a trick. I turned my phone's screen to grayscale, black and white.
Black and white? Like an old movie?
Exactly. When the colors are gone, the apps look boring. Instagram isn't pretty in gray. YouTube looks dull. It makes me want to put the phone down.
Wow, that's actually really smart. I should try that because everything on my phone is so bright and red and look at me. Okay, let's talk about our listeners. They're here to learn English, but many people say, Sarah, Kabir, I don't have time to study.
I hear that every day, but usually it's not true. It's not that they don't have time, it's that they don't use their gap time.
Gap time? What's that?
Well, it's the small minutes between things. Waiting for the bus? That's 10 minutes. Standing in line for coffee? That's 5 minutes. Sitting on the train? That's 20 minutes.
Ah, I see. Instead of playing a game on your phone, you could listen to a podcast, like this one.
Exactly. Or you could review your flashcards.
I think people think they need to sit at a desk for 2 hours to study, but that's actually not the best way to learn, is it?
No, not at all. Our brains like small pieces. 15 minutes in the morning, 15 minutes at lunch. That's 30 minutes. In a week, that's 3.5 hours.
That's more than most people do in a classroom.
So, Sarah, what is your number one tip for our buddies listening today?
My number one tip is eat the frog.
Wait, what? Eat a frog? That sounds terrible. Is it a French recipe?
No, it's an idiom. It means do the hardest, most annoying thing first thing in the morning.
Oh, I like that. So if you hate studying grammar, do the grammar at 8 a.m.
Yes, because if you don't do it, you will think about it all day. It will sit on your shoulder like like a big, ugly frog.
I see. And once you eat it, the rest of the day is easy.
Exactly. What about you, Kabir? Give us a Kabir special tip.
Okay, my tip is the 5-second rule. When you know you have to do something, like get out of bed or start your English homework, count down 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and move.
Does that actually work?
It does. It stops your brain from thinking of excuses. If you count, you just act.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Sound of a chair moving. I'm going to go do my laundry.
Not yet. We have to finish the show.
Okay, I'll stay. But seriously, guys, your time is yours. Don't let the phone monster or the procrastination frog take it away.
Well said, Sarah. Remember, you don't need to be perfect. You just need to be 1% better than yesterday.
That's right. Thank you so much for listening to English Buddy. We love having you here.
We really do. I think I'm going to go for a walk now, without my phone.
What? No phone? You're so brave, Kabir. Laughs.
I'll try my best. Bye, everyone.
Bye. See you next episode.